Hi, it's a new year, so it's only right that we started with a full detailed hair wash routine. Hi, my name is Anael and I have 4C, 4B, low porosity, high density hair, meaning my hair love moisture and heavy product. It is winter time, so it's only right that I start my wash with a hydrating hair mask. I am using the Thick hair mask. I like to work in sections, especially smallest sections, because I just want to make sure that every strand of hair gets the product. I am steaming my hair for the first time, and girl, I've actually been wanting to do that because I've seen a couple of videos about it, and I'm glad I finally tried it because I'm definitely keeping this in my routine. So I am using the new hair steamer by Pattern Beauty. Honestly, this is very good. The steamer was gliding, I'm telling you, gliding through my hair, and it definitely made the detangling process very easy. My hair felt so soft, moisturized, and like I really enjoy that, especially the winter time. Hello. And now I'm using a different attachment just to make sure that my roots, they get some love too. And you can see that my hair looks moisturized, only if you can feel how soft it is, but this is definitely a 10 out of 10. You can definitely steam your hair before washing your hair, or you can do it when you deep condition. I chose this time to do it in the beginning because my hair needed some TLC. After rinsing the mask, it's time for the wash. I am using the TGIN. Depending on how dirty I feel like my hair is, I usually give it 2-3 rounds of shampoo before going with the conditioner and detangling my hair with a comb. While shampooing, I like to use a scalp massager on my scalp just to give it a little relief. You can tell that the steamer did its thing because the detangling part was so smooth. This was only supposed to be a wash, but why not just go a step further? So I decided to style my hair and I'm doing a wash and go. I don't usually like to use gel in my hair, but this time the Extreme is my gel of choice. So just like for the wash, it's best to work in smaller sections. And I'm also using the raking method. This is when you put the product in your hair and you just use your finger to rake the product through your hair. To me, it works best with tight coily hair, but that's my preference. Obviously, you can do what you please. Oh, and I'm using a brush just to detangle my hair because I feel like the product works best in your hair when your hair is detangled, so don't forget to do that. And another thing, raking is more time consuming than the other ways, but I feel like it's the best way to give definition. When I'm done, so I just make sure that my hair is dry, but I'm using a diffuser, and with the diffuser we'll try to not manipulate the hair too much so we don't stretch it or lose the curls or get it frizzy. So as you can see, I'm just trying to dry my hair in place and not pull on it or manipulate it too much. And honestly, you can stop right there and just let the rest air dry, but me, I like to have a little bounce, a little volume, and a little length. So what I'm gonna do when my hair is completely dry or almost dry, I am going to be stretching my hair. Now this, all you have to do is focus on the roots. So using a blow dryer, whichever blow dryer you have, I am using the one from Shark. All you have to do is kind of separate your hair and pull on your hair in place and just blow dry the roots. Honestly, there's a little attachment for your roots. I didn't see mine, so that's why I didn't use it, but it will make the process way more easier. Tell me you see the difference, like hello. And honestly, my hair used to be a little bit more bigger, but since I colored it, I feel like it got a little damaged. So this year we're working on that, and this is my final result. Yeah, this is what I do when I do my wash and go, and I hope you enjoyed and got something from this video, whether it's in my wash routine or the wash and go routine, and see you in my next video. Bye.